Which is greater, 6 to the 7th power or 7 to the 6th power? Let's find out without using a calculator, but first, make a guess. So only using what I can compute mentally, if I take a look at smaller cases, it looks like the inequality sign switches over here. So if this pattern continues, I would think that 6 to the 7th power is greater than 7 to the 6th power. But how can I be more sure that 6 to the 7th power is greater? Here's what we can do. Let's take a look at this fraction. If this fraction is greater than 1, then 7 to the 6th power is greater, and if this fraction is smaller than 1, then 6 to the 7th power is greater. Now, 6 to the 7th power is 7 sixes being multiplied together. So I'm going to rewrite this as 6 times 6 to the 6th power. And I'm doing this because we can rewrite 7 to the 6th power divided by 6 to the 6th power as 7 divided by 6 raised to the 6th power. Now, I'm going to rewrite 7 sixths as 1 plus 1 sixth. So the question is this greater than 1 or smaller than 1? Well, I know it is smaller than 1, because even though I don't know exactly what this is, I know that it is less than e. This expression is of this form, and we know the limit as n goes to infinity of this expression is e, which is around 2.718. If you want more information on this, that is going to be in my next video. But over here, as n increases, the result increases, but there is a limit of around 2.718. So we can see that 7 to the 6th power divided by 6 to the 7th power is going to be less than e divided by 6, which is less than 1. That means the denominator is greater. So 6 to the 7th power is greater than 7 to the 6th power. Now, when we generalize this, we can see why the inequality sign flips right here. If the non-negative integer n is less than e, that means this is going to be greater than 1, meaning the numerator is greater. So numbers of this form are greater. And if n is greater than e, this is going to be smaller than 1, meaning the denominator is greater. So numbers of this form are going to be greater. So what's great about this is that we can generalize this. So if n is an integer 3 or greater, we know numbers of this form will be greater. So looking at this problem over here, we could just take a second and say that, yep, I know that this number is greater. So going back to the original problem, were you correct? Let me know in the comments.